This is the story of how we streamline entire operation process in just 2 weeks. A few weeks ago, one of my previous colleagues called me. He had joined a large manufacturing company, and he invited me for a process audit. Uh, when I went there, the company's managing director also joined that meeting. The first thing he said was, "We spent crores on ERP, but still nothing is working. Why?" That one question started the entire journey. As we started the discussion, the team shared their day-to-day struggles. We have huge inventory, but we don't know which part is linked to which order. Uh, we cannot clearly see what is needed to fulfill the pending orders. Even after buying so much of material, the production still delayed. We are not sure when can we deliver or which machines are overloaded. But the truth is, they had data everywhere. But the problem is there is no any clarity. So that means there is no any linkage between the data. I asked them for simple files that open sales order, open purchase order, open production orders, and plant stock. We loaded the data into our SIOP Planner. Out of nearly 500 open sales orders, more than 100 were already in backlog. That is a that is a true, and no one had realized it. That is a very bad thing. The team never saw the sales order. Is the I mean, not only the team. Most of the industries are they are not going to bother about the sales order. They don't have any respect on the sales order. We must respect the sales order because that is our primary demand driver. When we compare the sales orders and what is the actual inventory, we found plenty of finished goods already lying in stock. Some orders were maybe even partially also available, but because no one had a clear view, the orders stayed. Blocked. We then looked into inventory planning. There were dozens of purchase order and production orders pending. That means not yet released. You know that because we should give the enough time to our vendors and also our internal customer like production people. If we didn't give any standard lead time to produce the part, we may get some rejection part or rework part. There are plenty of the money is involved in the production process, so we are going to lose money. And many materials were added but without priority. That's also a problem. And some were stuck simply because missing dependencies. When we analyze the production orders, we realize that plenty of jobs were actually producible today because we have the material, but since we don't have any clarity, they didn't start the production. If only the system had shown the real capacity and bottlenecks clearly, then came the real surprise during a capacity analysis. We saw that some machines were heavily overloaded while orders were completely idle, and no one had a full picture of loading balance. That is when we ran a full SIOP simulation. All open sales order, purchase order, production orders, and stocks were mapped together in one single view. Within a minute, the management could see which orders are producible today, what materials are short, what capacity is needed, and when bottlenecks, where bottlenecks exit. For the first time, everyone was looking at the same truth. In just 2 weeks, we removed the bottlenecks, rebalanced capacities, and streamlined the order flow. The company was back to normal, confident, clear, and in control. Now, every planner can answer any questions instantly. Which order can I produce today? So they can see the report and show them. And when can I deliver the part? So they can easily find the when they can deliver the each and every part to the customer. What is blanking me? So immediately they can see that, oh, these are all my bottlenecks, so we need this much of resource or help. Then immediately they can remove the bottlenecks. That is when the MD smiled and said, now our ARP finally works because of your SAP process. So that is a real power up SIOP planner. ERP ERP alone can record the data, but SIOP makes it actionable. It connects sales, inventory, operational, procurement, and bring one simple outcome with clarity. When clarity comes, performance follows. If you want to implement SIOP in your manufacturing industry, then please connect with us. We will implement. We'll grow together. Thank you so much.